Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to switch opponent in Monopoly Go. Let's dive in. First, you have to open the Monopoly Go app and then log in. And here, in order to switch opponent, all you need to do is to land in Shutdown. So just roll the dice until you land to the train tiles. Now when you're in the Shutdown, what you will do is to click the switch opponent. You can choose a random player or take a revenge to the ones that trying to destroy your board. Also, you can switch opponent to your friends, so go click it. And you just have to destroy their tiles. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.